If you have a house in Deer Park, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Deer Park. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in Deer Park prefer to work with us as a direct buyer rather than working with a traditional buyer that might need to qualify for some kind of mortgage or loan to buy your house. So first and foremost, we're a direct buyer, and we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. What that means is you don't need to fix anything, you don't need to clean anything, you don't need to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, but anything you don't want, you can just leave behind. We'll take care of it all for you. What allows us to buy the house in its as-is condition is we do pay cash. So we're not relying on a mortgage lender like a traditional buyer, because what comes with that is a thorough inspection, and that's where they test every outlet and light switch and ceiling fan in the house. They open and close all the doors, and basically they just compile pages and pages of everything wrong with the house, and they could use that. Sometimes they use that to try to negotiate a better deal with you, or they try to get extensions because they can't close on time. And if the deal with them survives the inspection, now you got to deal with the appraiser too. And the appraiser, if the house doesn't meet the appraisal's requirements, they could totally cancel the deal and kill the deal on you. And if that happens, it's just a big waste of your time as the seller. I've talked to many sellers in Deer Park where that's exactly what happened. And they came to us after another deal fell apart, and we were able to get it done for them. So if you have a house in Deer Park and you want to bypass all of that, consider selling to us, or at least just seeing what your options are. Give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. It says Columbus in the website name, but we're very active in Deer Park and all over Cincinnati and all over the whole state of Ohio. We have hundreds of reviews, testimonials, and positive references that we can share with you. And when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about when you want to sell, because some sellers want to close quickly. Other sellers need more flexibility and they want to set a future date. Whatever the case is, that's perfectly fine. We can accommodate your needs, and we're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If our offer doesn't work for you, we'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply pressure or gimmicks or sales tactics and play games with you. We're certainly not going to waste your time. That's what the call centers do. The call centers are the ones sending you the text messages saying they want to buy your house, or sending you the cold calls and stuff like that. We don't do that. We're here in Ohio, and we're going to treat you like a neighbor, as you should be treated. So if you have a house in Deer Park and you want to sell fast, easy, conveniently, or just see what your options are, give us a call at 614-300-5151, or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.